really happy to be here.
Of course I am. Kalau masalah fisika ya, aku udah gak kepikiran lagi. Cuma dia muka aku sama merah tadi di fisika.
Bener, aku ngantuk. Kayak pusing, udah lapar.
Mau jam istirahat ya kan? Jadi kayak lapar banget.
Makan pagi. Kebayang.
Oh no,
What happened?
Carmen is upset with me
Why?
because I didn't reply to her message. What should I do?
I think you should apologize to her.
Which I agree with her.
I'm sorry, but I disagree. Just saying sorry is not enough.
I agree with Sarah. Then, what do you suggest Sarah should do?
She should explain what happened and why she could not reply to Carmen's message.
That's a good point, I agree. Yes, you're right. What about you, Aggie?
I think that great idea it might help Carmen feel better.
See, told you.
Yes, you're realistic.
Thank you, everyone. You're welcome.
Yeah.
I will do what Chelsea